Guys, welcome back. This is the ninth lecture of our web development using ChatGPT and Rails series. In the last lecture, we asked ChatGPT that how we can implement Rainsec gem into our application to implement the search functionality. Now, in this lecture, we will ask ChatGPT to show us the steps for using the Faker gem to generate the lot of dummy data for our employee model. Okay, and we will need that. Faker gem, I mean the dummy data using Faker gem, because we want to implement the export functionality for the user, sorry, for the employees. Okay, so we will first need lot of data that is being generated using the Faker gem. Okay, so we will ask ChatGPT to generate the Faker gem, sorry, to generate the dummy data using Faker gem. So just prompt on the ChatGPT that I want to generate the, or first, before prompting this question, let me ask to ChatGPT that I want to generate the fake data in my Rails application for active record model. How can I do that? So ChatGPT will automatically suggest you that you need to use the Faker gem. Okay, so let's first ask that question. I want to generate fake data for one of my active record model in Rails. How can I do that? Okay, and when you prompt this question to the chat gpt, it will show you that you need to use the fake data for active record model using the Faker library. Okay, so it has given you the step, and just go to the response from beginning and you can see generating fake data for an active record model in Rails can be doing using various techniques. One popular gem that facilitates the task is Faker, and here is a step-by-step guide on how to use Faker gem to generate fake data for your active record models. Okay, so here you can do that. So first you need to install the Faker gem. So just copy this gem name and go to the gem file in your application. Okay, open the gem file, and after the Rainsec, just paste this and run the bundle install on the terminal window. Okay, so here we need to run bundle install. Okay, and when you run the bundle install, you will see that the Faker gem will be installed in your application. Now we will use the employee model attributes to tell chat gpt that we have these attributes in the employee model and we want to generate fake data for these attributes. So just go to here, sorry, the chat gpt screen, and here what we need to do, that I have an employee model with following attributes, and I want to generate 1000 fake employee records in my application using Faker gem. Give me the steps to do this. Okay, and when you submit this prompt to the chat gpt, it will show you that to generate the 1000 fake data, what you need to do. So here you can see that you are getting this, that 1000 dot times. So times is a iterator here. Okay, so and it will uh, iterate your create query for 1000 times. Okay, so here you can see it has data employee dot create, then first name, last name, email, and so on. Okay, so what we can do, we can simply copy this 1000 times dot loop, sorry, 1000 dot times into our seed file. Okay, so just copy this and now open the seed file in your Rails application, sorry, in your project. So sheets.rb, and here you just need to paste it. Okay, save the file, sorry, it has I placed the enter, and now just come to the sheet file and here save the file, add a line break. Okay, and then what you need to do, that you just need to run the Rails DB seed file. Here you can see on the chat GPT documentation as well that it is showing that run the seed file. Once you define the fake generation in your seed file, you can run the following command to populate your database with the fake employees. Okay, so just copy code and now come to the terminal. Okay, and here you just need to run rails db seed, and when you run this, okay, so there is error that contact number should be 10 digits. Okay, so what we can say to the faker that I'm getting this validation error, so just copy this error. Okay, because you don't have to do anything, you just need to call the faker gem chat gpt. Okay, so just copy this error and tell the chat gpt, go to the browser, and here I'm getting this error, please fix this. Okay, and when you prompt this, here you can see that prompt. Okay, so now, okay, and here you can just call it, so you just need to fix this line only, so just copy this contact number line only, and now go to the rails db seed file, sorry, the seed file here and here. Okay, and then you just need to run your rails db seed file again, task again, sorry. Okay, and when you execute this now, this should work correctly. Okay, so the 1000 employees has been created into your database. Okay, and you can verify it on the index page, but since we added the faker gem into our application, so first we need to restart our server, I mean the rails server, and now you can go to the index page of the users, and when you refresh the page, you will see that the 1000 user data employee data has been added on the your browser. Okay, and here you can see that this is the list of all the employees in your database. Okay, and you can also verify that whether your search is working or not for these database. For example, you can see that we have this employees first name, so just paste it here and we will search. Okay, so you can see that we have this employee information here. Okay, that means everything is working, and the data generation using faker gem has been done. Okay, now that's all for this lecture. In the next lecture, what we will do, that we will see how we can export the list of these employees into a csv file, and we will tell ChatGPT to do that thing for us. Okay, so follow this lecture and we will meet into the next lecture with exporting of all the employees in the csv format. Okay, until then, tata, goodbye, take care, and stay safe.